it's been the most liberating thing and the most amazing thing for all actors all over the world. Earlier, we had to kind of fit into specific boxes, and there was a formula, a look, a style for the kind of thing you had to do. And today, thanks to streaming, we can explore characters in a very different way and go into much more depth. And it is a fantastic platform to showcase all kinds of things, long-form storytelling, and to get into, there's a kind of intimacy on the platform. I mean, I consume a lot of it myself, and when you're watching, you can spend more time, and there is a great amount of detail that you can go into as an actor and as a storyteller. And it's the reach as well. It's not just the layered storytelling, but I mean, the fact that it goes out around the world, and so many people, I mean, I get phone calls from people who wouldn't normally call me for a cinematic release, but on Netflix, everybody rings up, people ring up from Europe and America and say, oh, we watched this and we watched this, and we're compared to the rest of the world, and it's a very, very exciting space. And, you know, it's got a longer shelf life. People are discovering old shows and films years later, and that kind of longevity is a real gift. Streaming allows for, like I was saying earlier, real character development. And we can go into depth and get into all sorts of angles that perhaps you don't have the time to do in a movie. And that's exciting. And there's no rush to wrap things up in 2 hours. We can let the story unfold at its own pace. And for someone like me who enjoys exploring characters in depth, I mean, it's a great time to be an actor. Also, you know, it gives the opportunity to bring longer stories to light, like there's certain books that we've read that, you know, you couldn't maybe see the movie of. And in our culture, there's so many stories that kind of haven't been told, whether amazing epics, of course, like the Mahabharata and Ramayana, and how to make that into a movie. It would be a very long kind of movie to select which parts to do, and you can really flesh those things out